So today we're working with the Eckrich Smithfield Spicy Hawaiian Ham. And we are just gonna do basic sandwiches. We just wanna show you the product. It's a wonderful product. We sliced it thin today. We can do multi dishes with it. We're gonna do a ham steak later. We did soup this morning. Instead of just saying, hey, this is ham and we just put mustard on it, we're just gonna make a basic Swiss sandwich. We're gonna put a little bit of field greens on there, spring mix if you'd like, a little bit of different flavor. The next thing we're gonna do is, of course, our Swiss. We're gonna toss some ham on there, make it nice and beautiful, just like the old-fashioned delis. Then we are going to do pickled carrots and cucumbers with a little bit of pepper in there. We pickled it overnight. You can pickle it in about an hour, but it's gonna bring out a great flavor. So it's gonna give it a little bit of spice or that vinegar taste to it. Not going too crazy, but again, it's gonna change up your sandwich where you can command a hefty price for it or a better price for it. And now we're gonna put a little bit of our Ken's dill pickle aioli on it just to give it something different. Straight up right out of the jug. If you take a look at it, it's pretty thick, so you can plop it on there. That looks great. You can also use the same product for tartar sauce if you wish. We're gonna put another piece of cheese, and this is how simple, easy. Voila! Look at that beautiful sandwich. A little bit different. Something that you can brag about and something that you'll be able to sell for a little bit more to get that guest check a little higher.